LG Ultrawide Monitor 34WR50QK. Review Best Budget 34-inch Ultrawide Monitor for Productivity. Looking for a big ultrawide monitor for work without spending a fortune? The LG 34WR50QK could be a very practical option. But there are a few compromises you should know about. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. This is a 34-inch curved, ultra-wide monitor with a 21:9 aspect ratio and 3440 by 1440 WQHD resolution. For productivity, that extra horizontal space is the biggest advantage. You can comfortably keep multiple windows open side by side, making it useful for spreadsheets, browsing, documents, and multitasking. The monitor uses a VA panel with a 1/8 Honor curve, a 100 Hz refresh rate, and a 5 milliseconds GTG response time. LG also lists up to 99% sRGB coverage and a typical 3000:1 contrast ratio, so you get good contrast and a fairly versatile display for everyday work and entertainment. There are also useful features like picture-by-picture, dual controller, reader mode, flicker safe, black stabilizer, and AMD FreeSync support. Connectivity includes 2 HDMI ports, DisplayPort 1.4, and a headphone output. However, this isn't a perfect monitor. The stand only offers tilt adjustment, so if you need height or swivel adjustment, you'll need a monitor arm or another solution. The 300 nit typical brightness also means HDR10 is more of a bonus than a major reason to buy this monitor. For gaming, 100 Hz is a nice upgrade over standard 60 Hz displays, but competitive gamers may want something faster. For productivity and general use, though, the combination of 34 inches WQHD resolution and ultra-wide space is where this monitor makes the most sense. Overall, the LG 34WR50QK is a strong choice for users who want a large ultra-wide workspace at a reasonable level of performance. If productivity and multitasking are your priorities, it's definitely worth considering. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think in the comments.